Want to use WhatsApp on a different phone? Here's how to link your account. First, install WhatsApp on your new phone and open the app. When prompted, enter your phone number. WhatsApp will send a verification code via SMS. Enter the code to verify your number. Once verified, all your chats will be restored. If you have backed them off, you can now use WhatsApp on your new device. Make sure your chats are backed up to Google Drive for easy restoration. Are you switching phone? Drop a comment if you need more help. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.